example of a problem wherein is an investigation. Take acting. Ano ba ang problem rito? Okay, read it. In words. A. Meron bang immediate answer for that? For that problem itself, do we have immediate answer for that? Wala. Kaya nga ito ay i-investigate ninyo. So, you have to familiarize with a given problem. And you have to think of some questions, or you have to make a sincere way on how to answer the given problem. Paano raw ang mas simple na gagawin? Yun na. Try the investigation using 3 or more options. Okay. That's the second step.
Generate the example.
Another problem, how many possibilities are there for an object? Yung pala yung example to getting started. Generating example, ito yung example sa kanila. And then you have organizing data, collect information. So, you have here the number of